Hibachi my chicken, these hoes do not listen. Well done on the focus, the mission. Just wait till I finish. A lot on my mind, so the words is given. I know you're not used to me spitting this hit. I got the juice in one sipping. Shout out to my kitchen, my baby is whipping. I get it in where I fit it. No time to be timid. 8 man niggas is living. I pity y'all niggas is sipping. I take it all if it's given. Hit them all and I'm with it. No keeping up with it. I make it spin like a bitch. What's good, people? It's your boy Mo Bay, and I am here. This is the channel where you learn how to keep it locked and keep it healthy. Parting the locks has never really been a deal for me. Maybe for you, maybe some things you're trying to do, that parting will help you do that easier. These are some things I didn't know before starting locks, so probably you should learn up on this stuff too. If you've already got your locks in, there's no reason why you can get this going as far as switching up any parting or anything like that. As far as what I got going on, I'm gonna let y'all know and the reason why. Today we're gonna be talking about 4 different types of parting. Some you can use to do different types of things, and I'm gonna explain all that in between. You know what I'm talking about? Before I get into the different types of parts, I'm gonna let y'all know about parting and if you're trying to keep that shit up. If you're trying to keep up your parts, trying to keep them together, you should be going to a loctician. Someone who can get that clean and neat for you and keep it where it needs to be, because the hairs, the new growth after a while will try to, you know, travel a little bit to another lock if you don't get it retwisted in a good amount of time. Depending on your hair, you know, your hair may unravel a little bit, you know, combined with another lock, you know, say, hey neighbor, what's going on? Let me borrow that sugar, cousin, and stay over there. But look, that's gonna be getting into more of why my hair is the way it is. But if you can do it yourself and keep it neat and clean, that works too. Basically, all you gotta do is keep up with it, keep it up. It's like getting a new pair of shoes. You want to keep them clean, you got to keep cleaning them, you know what I'm saying, after you wear them. Just like if you get rims, you got to keep them clean if you want them to look nice. You know what I'm talking about? The first most common, you know, parting method is the box, the square, you know, all lined up. You know what I'm talking about? You either do it squared out all in rows, or you put them adjacent or diagonal, kind of off the corner of each other, you know, slightly off, however you want to do it. As long as the squares, that'll be the squares. That's most commonly used for styling, anything like that. It's easier to style with that type of parting system. You'll see the parts that'll be nice and clean. Boom, boom, boom. So if you're heavy into trying different styles, when you get your hair to a certain length or when you get it together, go for the box parting system. The number 2 method of parting would be the diamond parting. It's real similar to the square, the box, but it's a diamond. You know what I'm saying? A turn like that, bow, diamond. Now the diamond parting is used mainly because you can see more of the scalp when you do styles, or when you have it parted, you can see more of the scalp, and it gives that clean diamond look. People like the diamond look. It's different from the squared. Boom, you know, it does look good, not gonna lie. You know, it's the diamond, the rock. I've never tried to put the diamond parting in my locks. I didn't think that was something that I wanted to do. But, you know, hey, if that's something that you want to try, you can go ahead and put them diamonds in your head and show some scalps, you know, get your parts together, have it looking right, whether it be braids or locks, it really don't matter. Now the third one, I hadn't heard about this until recently. I didn't even know, but it makes sense. It's the crescent shape parting system. Now the crescent shape is more so for your laid down, like loose hanging styles or whatnot. If you just got lots, you just want to hang loose after the retwist, get you them crescent parts, and your joints will just lay down, shape the face however you wanted to do it. If you wanted to go a certain direction, that's when you move the crescents in that direction, you know. But mainly people got them going down, so you crescent out. They look like fish scales to me, but you know, hey, it is what it is. It does look nice and neat, and it have your hair laying like you want it to. Ain't going nowhere else. Now last but not least, the one that I use, one that most people use, is the natural parting or random parting or freeform parting system. Now with this, it doesn't mean that you just let it loose, let it go wild. Not necessarily. In some cases, yes, but not necessarily. That's more mainly having your parts form the way they want. Like each time you do a retwist, you just gather the hairs that's around that's supposed to be in that lock for the most part and put them together. You're not worried about lining it up or getting it neat, putting it back the shape it was. No, you just worry about getting them hair, the new growth into the lock, twisting that mug and keeping it right. That's all you worry about. Now, the reason being I do the natural parting and I'm not really worried about it is because I do my own locks, right? I don't really have time to be separated and make sure my parts are a certain shape. I just want to go ahead and get it retwisted and get the fuck up out of there. Move on, you know what I'm talking about? Some of my locks are combined, so the part got bigger and it's gained a different shape. So I'm not about to worry about fixing the shape of the part. I really ain't got time for that. Because especially in the front, there's a few of them in the front that I combined at the early stages. Because it was a little too thin, let me go ahead and put these together. There's a big base here, get it right. I'm not about to reshape my part just because I combined a lot. Come on now, I'll be all right. I'm gonna live as long as the hair is where it's supposed to be and it ain't falling out. I'm good to go. You know what I'm talking about? I'm not really worried about or pressed on having a certain look. As long as I look like me, I'm gonna be all right. You know what I'm talking about? If I feel like I look good, I'm gonna be all right. If you don't feel like I look good and I feel like I look good, I'm still gonna be all right. You feel me? But if you learn anything about parting, go ahead and like, comment what you didn't know or what I may have not discussed. Until next time, it's your boy Mo Bacon, and I'm out. Catch y'all in the next video. Legs, no need to stretch. Just focus your mind and give me your best. Got a body like Hasemi, she do a lot of things to you with Sui when she come and ride at me. Spin around like some pottery, gripping her throat cause she hollering. Make her remember the finer things, telling that hoe never lie to me. Then if I need your apologies, I'm a king, so I need it done properly. Come on and vibe with me. Come on and vibe, keep that shit live. I like the look in your eyes, she mama, you're always so thick.